So yo guys, what's up? Welcome to Gatebeat. Today I am going to do a video on how to download the paid apps for free. Okay, so let's get started. First open the Google Chrome and at the search bar type AC Market. AC Market. Okay, then here you get the second one. AC Market APK download #1 official store version 4.8 for modes and games 2020 best AC Market app. Okay, then click on it to download it. Then here you scroll down and here you can see download AC Market for Android. And if you scroll down more, file type APK version 4.8, download size 22.21 MB. Okay, there's no root required and license is also free. And to download it you have to have Android 4.1 plus, okay, or above 4.1. Click on the download option here for Android. Okay, then again scroll down. Here you get the procedures. Download the APK file. When the dialog box promotes, click settings. Okay, toggle on allow installation from the source. Proceed back to the installation and click done. Okay, the app will be installed on your Android phone. Here you can see the button with the Android icon. Click on it and here, wait a minute, here you can download it for iOS, okay, or PC, or yeah, PC or Windows. Okay, click on the AC Market APK download for mobile with the Android symbol. It's loading. Here you can see at the bottom downloading file 21.08 MB. Go to details and here you can see it's being installed. Now download it. The download link is also given in the description, so you can go there and check out. So guys, if you like my video, please share, like and subscribe, and also comment. If there is any video, sorry, not yeah, if there is any mistake by me, comment it, or I'll give you my, or in the description there is my business email and the Instagram ID. You can go and text me there and suggest me some things. Okay, as it has been now downloaded, click on acmarket.apk. Now at the bottom you can see the install button and click it. Now it's being installed. Okay guys, now it is installed. Now to prove that, I'll open it from the here only. Okay, now it has been opened. You can get a window like this called AC Market. Wait a minute, cancel, it's a ad. Okay, here get like this. I have skipped it. Some things like it will ask you to allow some things like for storage and calling. At the top you can see the AC Market search window. Click on it and here search Minecraft and click on the search icon, and this is the one, Minecraft. Okay, at the Play Store it will cost you about wait a minute, I'm showing you for the proof. Okay, here Minecraft. Here you can see the second one. I'll uninstall it and again I'll install it in AC Market. Okay, but previously also I have installed from there only. So here you can see it costs about 479 rupees. I'll go ahead and install there. Okay, here you can see I'm not skipping the video. Okay, Minecraft, and I'll download it. Here you can see at the three dot, click on it. Here you can see it says you that you are using the mobile data now. Click on OK, and at the top you can see the download icon. Click on it to see it is being downloaded. Here you can see it's being downloaded. So okay guys, again I'm saying please subscribe my channel to get more exciting videos like this and interesting. Okay, you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description. Okay guys, now finally it has been downloaded. Now here you go to apps, and here you can see the install icon. Click on it. Now it's being installed in your device. It's staging the app, and at the bottom you can see the install button. Click on it, and now it's being installed. And also it asks you for install from the unknown source. To have to enable it, then only you can install in your device. Okay, now it has been installed. To prove you, I am opening it now only. Open. Okay, now it's loading.
It's the same Minecraft which you will get in the Play Store. Costs about 479 rupees. Okay, now finally it's loading. Now I'll build a small house and show you that you can play in this. To know more about Minecraft, I'll upload a video shortly so that you can get a clear idea about Minecraft. It's really a super game. Okay, this is my world over here. Now I'll build a short small house and show it to you. Okay, let me build with this and this. You can build such large houses also here. Okay guys, it's finished. Let's make the door and end the video. So guys, for today it's this much only. To get the more interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe.